switch. Again, you're passing to the left. When you get your new paper, you become student number 2. Now you have 2 things to respond to. You have a sticky note, the original, and you have the other person's reaction to the sticky note, and you may respond to either one or both. The sentence starters that are right above where it says student number 2 are designed to give you some help about what kinds of things you can say, so use them. This time, use the sentence starters. Choose one that you think you can run with. You have a little bit more time. Okay, student 3. You got 3 things to respond to now. Sticky note, student 1, student 2. Second thing to remember is text, text, text. This time, when you're responding, make sure you are naming a moment in the book somewhere. Maybe chapter 11, maybe somewhere else. Third thing. For an exit ticket, I'd like you to write down what you think the central idea is now. Could be the same, could be different. Write down what you think the central idea is now.